Hey everyone, Carlo here and welcome to the vlog. Today we are unboxing and checking out the NMD RACER collaboration between Adidas and Juice. If you haven't yet, please do click subscribe and hit the notification bell. We are doing a couple of giveaways, one of which I will link down below. And for you to be able to join the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to the channel. So earlier today, I dropped by SM Aura to pick the shoes up, and we now have them here in this huge box. So this is the Juice collaboration with Adidas for the NMD RACER, which is called the Alienegra. Now, what are the three reasons why I decided to pick this one up? Number one, because the pattern really reminds me of one of my favorite WWE wrestlers, and I'm pretty sure that's not the intent when they made the shoe. This actually reminds me a lot of Bill Goldberg. You know, the guy who was undefeated in WCW, has the jackhammer, has that most kick-ass spear. To this day, I really feel that no one does the spear quite like Bill Goldberg. Everybody else, from Roman Reigns to Edge and even to Lashley over at Impact, all of their spears suck. Bill Goldberg still has the best spear ever. But anyway, so that's the first reason, because I really dig the pattern. I'm sure a lot of people interpret the pattern in different ways. You probably think it's tribal. Some people probably think it represents like motion and speed or whatnot. To me, it just tells me or reminds me of Bill Goldberg. And that's one of the reasons why I actually love the shoe, because he's one of my favorite wrestlers of all time. The second reason why I bought the shoe was I've really been waiting for a collab shoe of the sneaker consortium for the NMD RACER silhouette. Now, as you guys know, the NMD RACER silhouette just recently came out in December, or I can't remember what month, December or November, and I've been waiting for a RACER that's not the general release or the typical core one. So I wanted like a rare, artistic and different type of RACER versus getting the general release, which is available in most stores. So this is one of the first ones that came out, so I really wanted to get my hands on this pair. And number three, speaking to the rarity piece, I really just wanted to try my luck. Being able to cop or being able to buy sneakers like this isn't as easy as just going to the store, forking out cash, and then getting them when you want them in your size. You actually have to download an app which is called, I'm not sure if it's Cop Date, I think it's Cop Date, and then you are alerted when the shoe is available, and it's kind of like fastest fingers first. You have to be the one to click first with your size, and then you get to be able to reserve your pair. And that's the only time you can actually go to the store and pick it up. There are only like 100 units, if I'm not mistaken, or 100 to 150 units, probably 100. I overheard it in the store earlier, of this that landed in the Philippines, and they're just exclusively available in Commonwealth. So again, those are the three reasons why I wanted to get this shoe. Reminded of Bill Goldberg, I wanted the collab sneaker consortium of the NMD RACER silhouette, and number three, I really just wanted to try my luck because it was a rare shoe. Box. To those who are wondering what is a collab or a sneaker exchange or a sneaker consortium program is, just for your benefit, and to those who already know, please indulge me. Basically what Adidas does is that they partner with creative outfits, designers, streetwear brands all over the world, and then they co-design a shoe. So what happens is a particular shop uses the canvas of Adidas, their shoe or the silhouette, that's what this is called, like a silhouette of a shoe or a model, and then they use their creativity to design whatever it is that they want on that particular model. So that's what the sneaker exchange program is all about. So what are my initial impressions of the Alienegra? Two primary things. The first one is that the design can really be polarizing. People will either love it or people will either hate it. All you have to do is take a look at the different YouTube reviews, and you'll see a really nice split between the reviewers and the sneakerheads who love it and the sneakerheads who don't. I think it boils down to the pattern and how loud it can be and unsubtle it is compared to a lot of the other designs that are out there in the market today. Now, personally, like what I mentioned earlier, the design really appealed to me because of that Goldberg thing that I mentioned earlier. You may call it probably shallow, but hey, everybody has their own sense of style. Everybody likes what they like, and I really like and I really dig this one. Number 2, this will be kind of hard to wear, mainly because of the patterns again. So it's both a good thing and a bad thing. And I say hard to wear, in my head, I can probably wear this with black pants, mostly definitely during casual days, not during the work, unlike the other pair that I showed you earlier that you can actually get away with it. So this is the type of shoe that you can break out probably once every, I don't know, 1 or 2 weeks. Not something that you can regularly wear because of the design and because of the pattern. But hey, it's a really nice statement piece. It's a really nice statement shoe. And I have no regrets buying this one from Commonwealth during the raffle. Moving to the midsole, we have the Boost midsole here, which is Adidas, of course, proprietary technology for making the shoe much more comfortable than compared to your regular Eva soles or other types of material that are used by a lot of other brands. Now, personally, if you ask me, the Boost sole is really more felt with the Ultra Boosts, Pure Boosts, and the more running type of shoes. For shoes like this one, like the NMDs, for me, they're really more of a design. Helps with the comfort, but when you compare it to a lot of other shoes that don't have Boost, the difference is not that big. So you feel it, you feel the difference, but it's not really the main reason why you would get like a pair. So that's it for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the button down below and hit the notification bell so that you get our videos first when we upload them. That's it for now. Peace. Box.